How to remove a lot in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the color workspace at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the grading, node adjustment and lot application happen. Now, look at the clip where the lot has been applied. If you are not sure which node contains the lot, you can check by selecting each clip, and at the node, you will see the grid box which denotes that lot is applied on that clip. Once you select the correct node, it's time to remove the lot. Simply right-click on the node that has the lot and choose Reset Node Grade. This will clear all changes on that node, including the lot. If you want to keep auto adjustments and just remove the lot, then right-click the node and under Lot, select No Lot Selected. And that's it. Now you know how to remove a lot in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.